Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can solve this issue. We want to run this particular test.java file, but when you right click on it, we are not getting a JUnit configuration. How do we resolve it, guys? In order to resolve it, click on the file which is in the left top corner of the screen. Just type open file, open projects from the file system. When you click on it, it will show you the import source. Click on the directory. So when you tap on the directory, click exactly the folder in which the project is there. Okay, click on select folder. Now here, as you can see here, the Eclipse project is selected. Okay, now try to click on finish. Right click here, run as. So we are getting JUnit test. Previously, we are not getting the JUnit test. Whenever you try to open the project in Eclipse, try to open it from file, open projects from system, then the configuration will work. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.